Okay, we're gonna cut for a second. She didn't even know what the object of the game was.
I don't know these songs.
Welcome. Positive thoughts, Shelly. Positive thoughts.
This is harder than it looks, okay?
Just so you guys know why I'm upset, that was Careless Whisper by George Michael, probably one of the best love songs of all time.
I have screaming in my ears.
As you can
How do
tell,
you whisper
she's loud.
with screaming?
This CarMax is so strong.
This CarMax. It's like Vicks Vapor Rub, I'm telling you.
It is. My kids hate it. I'm like, put it on your lips. Okay.
That's a slogan for chapstick. I'm gonna have a chapstick company. That's gonna be my slogan. Put it on your lips.
How do you not know that? Okay.
I guess I don't listen to
Are we
enough
recording?
secular music. Okay, sorry.
Lovely.
Put it on your lips.
Straight up Cardi B. That's. No, just kidding. What is going on?
Okay.
I know I'm doing this right.
No, you're done.
No more?
No more.
Why? I want to do one more. No? Just one more.
You're the internship director.
Oh, I love this song. Come on.
Not at
I
all.
don't know this song. I don't know it. I don't know the song.
Get another one.
What?
I put a lot of hard work into these little cards. Nobody knows these songs. Have you never been in love? Haley's already getting lit.
What?
Don't worry about it. You're good.
What?
Nothing. She says she's gonna fight me. She can't hold up.
What'd you say?
What? What? Go where the test.
How to get that one out?
Ew. Was that you?
All right, homie.
Yes. She's talking so loud right now. This is amazing.
I'm trying to think of it. I can't think
It's
of
really
it in
hard.
my head. It is really hard.
That doesn't help, Whitney.
Was I loud?
Oh yeah. Always.
I'll share it with you.
Oh hey, by the way, the music is a little loud.
Probably leave it the way it is, right? He could just do all these because I don't know any of these songs, right?
Hosanna. Havana.
How does it feel to be churched?
It's a great thing to love the Lord. What now? Bye, guys.